This is the loop-to-loop fly line connection close up. The MMI Crew said I needed to do a close-up shot, that the previous video on lining up your fly rod for beginners did not show enough detail. So here we go. We're going to start with a perfection loop right here. You've got to tie that in your leader and your practice leader, under and then pinch. Then we go over and under. There's a second loop. Take that tag, put it between the two, pull the front one through the back one, and you're working to get a great perfection loop. Got to cinch it down. If you tied it down like that, it will not come untied. Trim the tag off of there, and we are on our way to looping the loop. All right, here we go. Number one, line through leader. Leader through line, and pull that all the way through, and you're looped. There it is, the loop to loop connection, fly line to leader. How do you like that? Pretty simple, right? And to get it off, it's even easier. You just go, when you've used up that leader, and if it's not a store-bought leader, do what I do. Just cut it off right there, push that little piece through there, put a new leader on, and you're ready to go again. Here's the whole thing in slow motion. In slow motion, go under and pinch that loop, over and under. Take the tag between the two, grip it with your shooting finger, the birdie finger, and then tighten that down like that. Nice and easy. See how fun it is in slow motion? Now put something blunt through the loop and pull on both ends at the same time. And we have a perfection loop. Trim the tag of the knot so it'll go through, and make sure you trim it the first time. Trim it so that it will easily pass through the loop of your fly line. Now, this is a welded loop that is original from the factory on this fly line. Take that in right there. Just pinch it so it'll go through. Leader through the line and pull all that through. Done. Loop to loop connection in super slow motion. When you're ready to replace the leader, you just take your scissors and cut it at that loop you made. That tells you two things: that leader is used by looking at it, and number two, it actually helps you put the new leader on much more quickly. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you check the prior video on lining up your rod for beginners. Like and subscribe if you have time.